In this video, I want to discuss how to run an open house where you actually gain clients. So a lot of people think open houses are a waste of time, and a lot of agents think that open houses are a great way of recruiting new customers. And years ago, all you did was put signs up, open the door and let people come in. But people are more cautious now when they attend open houses. They're very reluctant in giving you their information, and or they're working with a real estate agent. Everyone and their mother, brother, sister knows a real estate agent. So it's your way of capturing the customer's information and then following up with them. So I have three things that I want to discuss that will help you turn more visitors into clients. And the first one is you want to make sure that you're serving that visitor. You don't want to sell to them. Serve them, find out what they're looking for. And then obviously I'm going to go into number two is you want to show your expertise with the property. You never want to be salesy. So the first one is obviously serving the visitor. Number two is showing your expertise to the visitor without being salesy. And then my final point, number three, is create a way to where you are able to have a conversation as soon as the customer or visitor leaves the open house. Now, granted, a lot of people don't give you their accurate names, their accurate phone numbers, or their accurate emails, or they're working with a real estate professional. But you need to find a way that you can engage with them as soon as they leave, possibly the next day, maybe sending an email thanking them for visiting your open house. Obviously, it's your goal to earn their trust without being salesy. So there you have it. They're my top three things that make open houses productive and turn visitors into clients. If you have any questions, please let me know. There's never any cost or obligation. But if an open house is run properly and you show your expertise over trying to sell the property, I think your potential of gaining more clients is going to be high. So I hope this helps. There's never any obligation for reaching out. Let me know how I can assist, and let's go make a difference today.